The NHSC non-tax filer statement for independent student form is available on our NHSC website at www.nhsc.edu on the financial aid page. The first page is the non-tax filer statement for independent student portion of the form. Print your name on the top left and print your student ID number on the top right of the form. Check the box next to the tax or employment situation that best applies to you or your spouse. In the chart below, list any and all income earned by you or your spouse for the prospective year listed above in this form. In the first column, list the employer's name. In the second column, check the box to determine if a W-2 will be provided with this form for the income earned. In the third column, indicate the dollar amount earned for each employer. In the fourth column, indicate if the income is earned by you, the student, or your spouse. In the bottom box of the chart, add up all of the income earned for this year. If you or your spouse receive any tribal disbursements or per cap payments, check the box below in the chart. If you check the box, you need to complete the second page of this form. If you do not, then you are not required to complete the second page of this form. Sign and date the bottom of the first page. If the student is married, the student's spouse is required to sign and date the form as well. This completes the non-tax filer statement for independent student portion of the form. If you are required to complete the second page of the non-tax filer statement for independent student form, print your name on the top left and print your student ID number on the top right of the form. Check the box to indicate that the form is being completed by the student or the student's spouse. Print the name on the line for the student or the student's spouse. Read the revenue ruling 56-342, Section 61, gross income defined. Print your name, sign, and date the bottom of the second page. If the form is being completed by the student's spouse, we need both of the students and their spouse signatures and printed names and dated. This completes the non-tax filer statement for independent student portion of the form.